this is Indu. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we will cover multi-level inheritance. It's a very important question in .NET interview. What is the difference between multiple inheritance and multi-level inheritance? So we already covered multiple inheritance. Today we will cover multi-level inheritance. So firstly, you can click on create a new project. Here we can choose the console app and click on the next, and here we can give the project name. You can give any name. Now I am giving multi-level demo, multi-level sorry in inheritance demo, and then you can click on the next button. And here we are using framework .NET 8.0, and click on the create button. So remove this. Firstly, we can write here what is the definition of, but it's like what is the multiple inheritance. So firstly, I can explain you, then I can write here the definition. So multiple inheritance means a class inherit from the another class, but that class also inherit from the another class. For example, here you can take the example grandfather, father and child, like that relationship. A child inherits the feature from the parent, and parent inherits the feature from their grandparent or grandparent. Like that way inheritance is multi-level inheritance is working. So firstly, what is multi-level inheritance tense? So here I can next line here. So when one class inherits, this is a definition for a in interview. You can give this: when a class inherits from another class, and then another class another class inherits from the derived class. I can explain you with the help of example. For example, for example, a child a child inherits from a parent, comma, and that parent inherits from a grandparent grandparent. And another example, for example, animal is a base class, and dog is a drive class for animal. And if you can, there are so many varieties in dog. For example, puppy, and puppy is a drive class from dog. For example, base class is a animal. Example, base class is equal to animal, and then drive class is equal dog, and the next drive drive class from dog, that is copy. You can take for example, and this is drive class from animal. So this is the multiple inheritance. So we can take here one example. You can write using system. After that you can add the namespace, and here you can give any name. For now I am giving multi-level demo, multi-level inheritance demo, and curly braces. Here you can write animal class animal, and curly braces. Here you can make a method public void it. Here you can write console dot write line write line animal can eat. Okay. Next, control A, control K. Sorry, control Z, control K. To fix formatting, we can use this to fix formatting in our code. Our code, we use this command control plus K plus D, and to remove unused namespaces. That time we can use this command, that is control plus R plus G. And after that, firstly we can take a animal class, and here we can make method eat, and after that we can take a class dog. So this is the access specify public. Now we can use a public. It means it can be accessed anywhere. We have a three type, like public, private, protected internal, and protected internal. So public, here we can cover public. Public means that can be accessible anywhere, inside the class and outside the class. So here we can make a class dog. We can insert here animal in curly braces. Here we can write we can make a method walk public void, and here we can write console dot write line. Beside this we can write here dog can walk and semicolon, and then in the last we can make a class. We can make class. You can give any name. For now I am giving class 2. Here we can take a class dog, and here public void beep. This is I am giving for a example purpose, so you can easily understand. And here you can write anything. I can beep. So here you can see this is a, what is this? So this is a drive from dog, and so indirectly from animal, because in dog we can inherit the animal indirectly from animal. And this is our base class. base class. This is our drive class, drive from animal, drive class. So in the last, we can make, firstly, we can write control A, control KD to fix formatting, and then we can write program, class program, class program, static void static. Why it's giving error, I think. Okay. Static void dot main, and next we can take a curly braces. Why it's giving error, I think you don't try using system. Why it's giving error. Class program static void dot main, so check. Firstly we can write is equal to new puppy, and we can create the object of the like this class, puppy class. So here we can create object of puppy class, and the lowest class, lowest level class, and then we assess the method from base class. Firstly we can, in the base class we can make this method, that is the eat. So firstly we can take puppy dot eat, puppy dot eat. So assess method from base class, that is the animal. So assess method from base class, that is animal, animal. And in the next, puppy dot walk, that is the drive class, that is dog. Here we can write walk, and this here we can assess assess method from dog class, and drive class from animal. And the last one is that we make here uh, puppy dog beep, dog beep, and assess method from this current class, which we can make a object. Assess method from puppy class that is derived from dog. So here we are getting two errors. Firstly, we can check this why it's giving error. So here we can take a static void main. So here this is the here we don't need to write dog and okay. So this is done. We need to run this program. So like you can see, animal can eat, dog can bark, and puppy can be. So this is the example of multiple inheritance. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.